2022, a young bird flew 8,425 miles without landing once. For 11 days straight. Wait, what? Called the bar-tailed Godwit. And this bird, named B6, flew non-stop from Alaska to Tasmania. No food. No water. No rest. No landing. For 264 hours of pure flight. Here's the wildest part. Before the flight, the bird's organs literally shrink. Its stomach. Its liver. Its kidneys. Some of them shrink in half. The bird basically eats its own body to lose weight before takeoff. Sleeps in midair by shutting down half its brain at a time. The other half keeps flying. Scientists tracked the whole thing with tiny GPS loggers. It's the longest non-stop migration ever recorded. A bird that ate its own organs and flew for 11 days without stopping. That's wild.